Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the parallel organization. In this parallel organization, we are going to discuss the topic of parallel processing and multi-core computers. Today we are going to discuss about the parallel processor organization. It is otherwise called as Flint's classifications. Based on the instruction stream and the data stream, it has been classified into four types. First one is called as SIST, second one is called as SIMD, MIST, and then MIMD. SIST in the sense single instruction and single data stream. SIMD means single instruction, multiple data stream. MIST in the sense multiple instruction, single data stream. Multiple in MIMD in the sense multiple instruction and multiple data stream. So single instruction and single data stream in the sense only the thing is single instruction. For the single instruction, we are going to substitute only the single data stream. For example, suppose if I am going to give add a comma b. For the add a comma b is nothing but a single instruction. In that instruction, for the values of a and b, I am going to substitute, for example, a equal to 5 and b equal to 5. Only these two values will be substituted for the a and b variable. That's why it is called as the single instruction and then single data. It is otherwise called as uniprocessor system. And the second classification is nothing but single instruction and multiple data stream. Here the instruction is single, but we are going to substitute multiple data. So multiple data in the sense, for example, we can give the data in the array concept so that it has been considered as vector processors or array processor. For example, let us take the same instruction we can consider here. Add a comma b is a single instruction. In that instruction, I am going to substitute different values for the a and b values. Maybe the array values I am giving us 5. Then first time it takes the a value maybe 0, or the second time it take 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Either I can give 10 data or 5 data, or depend upon the user's specification. So for the one instruction, I am going to substitute different values for a and b. That's why it is called as the array processor. And another one is called as MIST, multiple instruction and a single data stream. So multiple instruction in the sense, instead of add a comma b, I am going to give multiple instruction, add a comma b, sub a comma b, multiply ab, or div ab, like that. Okay, but only the data stream is single. Okay, whatever may be the instruction, I am going to substitute only the single data. For a equal to 5, b equal to 2, let us consider this is an example. It never bother about the instruction. Whatever the instruction, it consider only a and b values are common, that to be substituted. In case if it is addition, it gives the data according to that, or subtraction, in the sense it subtracts the a and b value, like that. But it is not in the commercial application. So we are moving on the another type, that is called as multiple instruction and multiple data stream. So multiple instruction in the sense add a comma b, subtract a comma b, like that. Different data also we are going to give. So here it can be classified as two types. One is called a shared memory or distributed memory. Shared memory is otherwise it is called as tightly coupled processor, and a distributed memory it is called as loosely coupled processor. Whereas in the tightly coupled, we are going to discuss about symmetric multiprocessor and then non-uniform memory access. Whereas in the distributed or loosely coupled, here we are going to discuss the concept of the clusters. So this is called as a taxonomy of the parallel processor architecture. Here, the author Flint's is the author who derived this system. That's why it is called as the Flint's classification. Okay, and we will discuss. This is the block diagram of that. SIST in the sense one control unit, one processor unit, and then one memory unit. So single instruction stream is given and single data stream is given, and it is called as SIMD, one control unit. From there the instruction stream only one instruction, but we are giving on different data stream, so the different processor and then local memory is assigned. So it is called as with the distributed memory. And the third one is about the MIMD with the shared memory, and MIST, so multiple instructions and multiple data streams. So this is the architecture for that.